Hi crypto kings and queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Natoshi. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification so you know when I'm live next time or when I do have my daily updates. I do have daily updates every single day from Monday to Friday on the currencies, and today we're gonna go through Bitcoin, XRP, and Ethereum. So let's continue to look at the charts. We can see that the market on the lower time frames right now on BTC is going up. So let us just see what potential levels the market can push back up to. Sorry, that was the wrong one. Let us use the Fibonacci. And what is happening at this exact moment is that we are reaching a previous Fibonacci level that, been talking about this for a long time. But we have broken structure. As we all can see, market was in a higher high, market then continued to break the higher low level, and usually what happens is that we push back up and retest the previous high. So if we start to see more bullish momentum right now, I'm definitely looking at 28,390 and 29,270 as potential levels for the market to push back up to. So we've been talking about this. I was in a short position on Ethereum. It did take me out, but using risk management, that is totally fine and is part of the game. But yeah, I would not be surprised if we see this push, because I was also looking at USDT and the market is dropping right now. If you are looking for a platform to trade cryptocurrencies on, then Bybit is definitely a place. You have so many different cryptocurrencies that you can trade on, and right now you have a 30k bonus that you can get when you're using the link in the description down below the video. Of course, everything depends on how much you are depositing to the account. I am analyzing the chart right now on Bybit, so it is the exact same thing as on TradingView. But going down to the lower time frames now, we are overall still in a sideways market. We never had the power to break below this previous support. We actually did have a fake out. Let us just use the Fibonacci once again, and you can actually see that we dropped down to the 1561.8% right here, and we can just break it down to the lower time frames, because right now what's happening, if we are just taking another trend line, is that we have broken the trend line after we retested this Fibonacci level between 26,040 and 26,275. Going into the daily chart again, if the market does close above this previous high at 26,565, then we will also have a morning star pattern. Usually the morning star pattern is that you have one bearish candlestick, you have one doji, and then we have the bullish candlestick above the previous high of the bearish candlestick. But we can also use two dojis in between these big candlesticks. So if we start to see a lot of big momentum and we're closing above 26,550, then this is a bullish reversal pattern that we have against these Fibonacci level. As I said, we're already in a sideways market, but overall I'm still bearish. But usually before the market gives us a big momentum, in this case to the downside, we usually have a tendency for the cryptocurrencies to give us a huge spike to the upside, fool everyone that the market's gonna continue up. Also need to respect certain Fibonacci levels, and then we see the market drop down from here. So this is what I see for BTC right now. Of course, it's going to be interesting to see how this day will go. If we're going to continue to see more bullish momentum on the lower time frames, we have a lot of volatility at the moment. So yeah, looking at this right now, if we continue to create one higher high, market pulls back down to create the next higher low, then we are officially in a new uptrend. And we already know that we're looking between 28.4 and 29.2 as potential targets. Make sure to follow me on my Twitter account. This is where I give you daily updates on the currency. Today I did upload one when it comes to XRP. XRP is below the previous high, somewhere between or below 0.5500, the monthly high. Of course, the market is doing a lot of things on the lower time frames, but the big picture, when the market, whatever the market is doing against the monthly high, I do think it's going to be hard for the market to break above this level because it's such a strong level. If we see that the market breaks below the support trend line, then we officially are in a new downtrend. Let us go to XRP right now and see what it's actually doing. So this is the XRP chart that we have on TradingView. Let us go down to the lower time frames. As I said, I do think it's going to be hard for the market to just break above and continue. We can definitely see this happening, but at this moment we can also see that the market did break structure to the upside or to the downside. We can take 1 fib from the last high to the low, and the next level that we're looking at for a potential retest is between 5,080 5,127. So this is the long-term or the short-term targets that I have. Now, if the market's gonna reverse, we can definitely see a push up to test this zone right here, also around 0.5200. Because as I said on BTC, we usually see the market have a quick retest before the market continues to the downside. So structure has been broken. We are testing a previous monthly high. So if the market reversed down from here, we know exactly what the next target is, and the next level for that lower low will be around 0.4830. So that is the first target that I'm looking at, and then the next, if we are reaching these levels, I will give you another update. Let us go quickly to Ethereum and see what's happening right here. We have a lot of momentum when it comes to Ethereum at this time, and we want to do the exact same thing. We can see that the market is giving us a lot of volatility to the upside at the time, taking a trend line just to see what we're doing. So we have broken the trend line, so we're doing the same thing as on XRP. If the market does push up, the next level for Ethereum is up at 1,750, 1,815. This is on the daily. So of course it's pretty far away from where we at right now, but the market goes up and down, and we need to retest certain levels. What we spoke about yesterday too was the support zone. We saw a fake out retest, market have the continuation up now, and this is just another confirmation. I was in a short position and I had a very tight stop loss, so the stop loss has already been taken. But this is something that when we are losing our trades, we just write down what we did wrong, and in this case I know exactly what happened. And as I said, we usually see the market breaking, we see a close inside, and another confirmation that this is repeatedly happening over and over again. Of course, we need to break the trend line, continue with higher highs and higher lows, and if the market does that, we know exactly what targets we're looking at. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification so you know when I'm live next time, when I do have my daily updates, and we see each other later on today's live stream. Toodles!